So Logan is 3D printing his teacher's gift. He learned how to 3D print in camp a couple years ago at Brain Bytes Academy camp. And he got the design, and now he decided that this year he was going to use the 3D printer to 3D print his ELA's teacher's gift. And that's because he likes his class, he likes his teacher, and he's putting an extra effort other than just buying a gift. So, let's get closer to the 3D printer. This is a 3P 3D printer that was actually purchased at Micro Center. And here's the filament spool. He got a big one just to have it. And I understand that the plate temperature has to be a certain temperature. That's why it's in his room where it's nice and warm for the printer to print with no issues. Please share if you have any cool designs that you're doing for 3D printing your gifts this season. Again, it's December 2021, so everybody's trying to get their gifts ready. And this is Logan's idea. Enjoy.